Servicing southwestern Ontario for more than 25 years, Briar Pump and Plumbing is owned and operated by a master plumber to handle all of your plumbing needs. As the area's foremost environmentally friendly pump and plumbing contractor, Briar Pump and Plumbing services all works with the environment in mind. Serving residential, commercial, and industrial customers, Briar offers repairs and installation services for pumps, boilers, gas appliances, sinks, faucets, pipes, water softeners, backflow prevention and drains, and also offers bathroom remodeling, radiant underfloor heating installations, water treatment, and 24-hour emergency service. For fast, effective service, give the team at Briar Pump and Plumbing a call today.